Hello, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. Today, inshallah, we are going to deal with notes about internet sources. So let us have a start. The internet is growing on, changing constantly, on quickly. It contains many to search towards that speed the search for information and resources. One of those search tools called a search engine can help your research in the classroom and beyond. Search engines use programs to retrieve information from the internet. Sometimes a search can give you exactly what you need, while other searches are less successful. Learning how to use search engine and deciding which is best for your search takes a little skill and practice. So how to use search engines? First of all, we have to type in one of the web addresses or your URLs Uniform Resources Locator into your internet browser. The second step is that in the research box type in one or more keywords and press enter. For example, if you are going to search about past simple tense, we are going to write in Google, for example, past first of all. Then we have going to write tense and so on. Then we may try past simple tense in a whole sentence and so on. The third step that thousands of sites may be returned from your research. Usually, the most useful sites will be listed in the top 20 or 30 reference, okay? So you have to take this in consideration. Okay, search with care. That means since almost anybody can put anything on the web, it is sometimes difficult to know if the information is accurate and objective. The exact source of the information, the source reputation, and the date of publication are sometimes not too clear. It is a good idea to use different kinds of sources to make sure you have accurate information when using web search. Always use non-web information as well. Okay, so you have to take in consideration you have to find the author name, the date of publication, and the reputation of the author, and so on. All these elements you have to take them in consideration when you pick your online resources. Okay, reputable and valid sources will often leave a few clues. The following questions can help you determine whether their site you are researching is valid. Number one, does the information have an author? Number two, is the author from a reputable organization? Number three, are the author's credentials listed? Is there information about the organization in the website? Number five, does the author cite sources or provide a bibliography? Number six, can you contact the author or sponsor of the website? Number seven, does the website look professional? Example, no major error in spelling or grammar, the links or even advertising, and so on. So please, if you have any question, write it in the comments, and thanks for your time and thanks for your listening.